In this video, I will show you how to turn on sync in Chrome. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and then you want to come down and click onto settings. Now, once you're in your settings, you want to come over to the left, make sure you clicked onto you and Google. And what you can do is check that you've signed into the correct Google account that you want to sync. Now, once you've done that, from the screen, you're going to see a button to turn on sync. Give that a click and then just click onto yes, I'm in on the window that comes up. As you can see, syncing has now been turned on for this Google account. Now, what you can also do from here, if you click onto sync and Google services, you first want to make sure that allow Chrome sign in is turned on. And from here, if you come up to the top, you can actually manage what you want to sync. So if you click this option here, you can go through and choose what you want to sync. At the moment, I've got it set to sync everything. But if you change to customize sync, you can choose what kind of data you want to sync. For example, your history, your bookmarks, your passwords and your settings. So that is how to turn on sync in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.